All right, the time has come. I guess you're here for free software number 2. So I'm going to get right into this free software. This is a software that we actually built ourselves. So the software that I'm giving you is called Friend Disconnector. All right, this is a software that I actually normally sell for $9.99 a month for the basic account, extra $50 a month for the pro account. So basically what I'm giving you, I sell to other people for $60 a month, $59.99 to be technical, all right? But I don't want you to feel special that you're getting it for free. I give it to lots of people for free. And this is a software that I know will actually help you increase your Facebook organic reach and engagement by allowing you to actually clean up your friends list, all right? So you can go to the link that's right down below. You can watch a demo of the software, see how it works. You can kind of understand why I built it, how the Facebook algorithm works, and how the software actually helps you to clean up your friends list, which is going to actually help you get more engagement and more reach organically on your Facebook post. Hopefully you are using Facebook as an ATM, as a money machine. If not, you're probably going to find training somewhere inside here that will help teach you how I have personally been able to make over $4 million from random strangers on Facebook doing exactly what I teach. Friend Disconnector has been an integral part of that. All right, so it's pretty simple to get. You're literally just going to click on the link that's down below. You're going to click this button right here. Whenever you click this button, you're going to put in your name. You are going to have to put in a valid email address. Once you put that in, then you are going to get an email automatically. So once you put that in, you're going to get an email automatically. Notice I didn't sell you anything here. So I didn't even upsell you anything here or anything. So now you're just going to go check your email. Once you check your email, it's a double opt-in. So whenever you check your email, it's actually a double opt-in. So you're going to check your email and you're going to see, click this to continue. You're almost done. You're going to see something that shows you, it shows you actually right inside this video, if you watch this video, what the email looks like and everything. So anyways, you're going to get that email and then you're just going to click a button inside that email. That's called a double opt-in. So you're basically getting an email and confirming that you want to be on my marketing list where I'm going to send you other stupid emails, even with free stuff in them. All right, so once you click that button and you actually confirm your email address, then you will get your logins and instructions to actually log in and get access to Friend Disconnector and get you going. So again, this is $60 a month that I'm giving you for free. I already gave you $29 a month. Now I'm giving you another $60 a month. That's basically $90 a month worth of free software that I'm giving you. We're just on number 2. We got 7 more to go. So there's going to be 7 more free softwares that are going to unlock over time. So you want to keep checking your emails, get those notifications whenever there's another free software, because altogether you're going to get more than $300 worth of free software. And I'm even going to offer you some deals where you can get other softwares that I sell for a huge discount. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this one. If you want, feel free to, send me an email and say thanks for the free stuff, John, or, message me on Facebook, tag me on Facebook and say thanks for the free stuff. It's always appreciated.